In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to black and white in Darktable. Whether you're a budding photographer or a seasoned pro, transitioning images to black and white can give them a timeless, classic feel. So let's get started on this creative journey. First things first, after launching Darktable, you'll want to open your photo in the darkroom view. This is where all the magic happens. Once your image is loaded, take a moment to observe it and think about the story you want your black and white photo to tell. This will help guide your adjustments later on. Now that your photo is open, your next step is to activate the monochrome module from the right panel. This is an essential tool for converting your image into a black and white masterpiece. Simply locate the module and click to activate it. As you do this, you'll notice an immediate shift in your image to grayscale, giving you the foundation to start your creative process. With the monochrome module active, you'll use the color picker to choose the key color that defines your black and white mix. This might sound a bit counterintuitive since we're working towards a monochromatic end result, but colors play a crucial role even in black and white. By selecting a key color, you're telling Darktable which hues to emphasize or diminish, influencing the overall mood and contrast of your photo. Experiment with different key colors to see how they affect the tonal range. Next, it's time to fine-tune the luminance contrast using the sliders. These allow you to control how light or dark the different tones in your image appear. Take your time adjusting these sliders. Fine-tuning here is key. If one part of your image needs to stand out more, adjust the sliders to balance highlights and shadows effectively, creating a captivating play of contrasts that brings your subject to life. At this point, you're ready to enhance depth with tools like RGB curves or local contrast. This is where you go from a simple black and white image to one with a punchy, dramatic feel. Using the RGB curves, you can manipulate the tonal range, lifting shadows or adding highlights where needed. Meanwhile, the local contrast tool helps in defining the intricate textures, giving your image that extra edge and a stronger visual impact. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully converted your photo to black and white in Darktable. Remember, this process is as much about personal expression as it is about technical skills. So don't hesitate to experiment with different settings to achieve the look that speaks to your creative vision. Thanks for joining me, and happy editing.